How are you guys? This is Dr. Minimalist here. So I hope you guys had a good day of investing today. So with this video, I wanted to show you guys what kind of stocks I bought in the month of February. It is February, almost the end of the February. So just wanted to go over the purchases that I made in this month and just tell you guys how I did as well. So my first stock is Altria. Altria is one of the company that focuses on producing tobacco products. When I bought, this is the first time that I bought the stock. I bought each stock. I bought 9 stocks on the 4th. My average cost was $48.75, and since I bought the stock, I've gained about $32.76. That's about 7.47% return. So doing pretty good. They actually pay a pretty good dividend income as well. It's also another thing that I should mention. But yeah, they've been doing so pretty good. And just before I move on further, there are different styles of investing. Some people invest specifically for their dividend income, and they sort of rely on it as well. However, I do not really invest for their dividend income. The reason I look more for the long-term growth. So the types of investing that I do is really not based on what kind of dividend paid they do on a monthly or quarterly basis. That's something to consider if you are investing to rely on their income. Your style of investing may be very different from the style of investing that I do. Anyways, with that being said, my second stock that I bought is Tiffany. Tiffany, I bought 5 shares, also on February 4th. Each share was $86.63. I bought a total of $478 of stocks. I made a total of $45.75, 10% return. So I'm very, very happy that I bought this stock. The reason I jumped on to buying the stock is that it went last December of 2018 when the the stock market pretty much dropped drastically. Tiffany dropped as well. Obviously, the reason it dropped is because of the tension that we had in this country, as well as the trade war that was going on between us, it was still going on with China. Its outlook didn't really look that good at the time. However, looking at their sales was not so bad in this country. The only reason it went down is because of the tension, but their intrinsic value didn't really change. That's how I knew that they will do pretty well. And I went on with the stock as well. And I had great return this month, so I'm very happy with that. Next stock that I bought is Play, a Dave & Buster's ticker symbol ticker symbol Dave & Buster, ticker symbol Play, sorry. I bought 4 shares for an average cost of $51.06. Total return is minus 88 cents. I made a 0.43% loss in this past month. Yeah, and if you look at their long term, they did pretty well and then pretty bad. And I do feel like they're on their way to for more growth. However, that is not yet happening. Okay, the next stock that I bought is Alibaba. I bought 3 shares on the 7th. I currently own 4 shares. When I bought the 3 shares, I bought each of them at $164.68. So I've made $494.04 invested. And since then, I have gained $59.70. That's a total percent gain of 12%. So I've been doing pretty good. With my previous stock, including that, I made a total return of 15%, almost $96. So I've been doing very well. Next stock that I bought on the 15th. This is called Air Transport Services, ticker symbol ATSG. This was the first time that I bought the stock. I bought 5 shares. I didn't buy that many for a total of $121.65. Since then, since the 15th, the stock didn't do so well. It actually lost $2, and $2, it was for a loss of minus 1.74%. It doesn't have any dividend. Yeah, this is one of the companies that actually work with Amazon to transport packages. Not really sure why they dropped. I do feel like if you look at the pattern that they've been having, they were on the rise, so perhaps they're kind of slumping down a little bit and they will go back up. I'm not really sure, but I do feel like that's what's happening. I do know that they work with Amazon, and for me, that's a very, very positive sign. So I'm going to hold on to the stock and see what happens. But right now, it's minus $2. So next stock that I bought is Bilibili, ticker symbol Bili, B-I-L-I. I bought 20 shares on the 19th for a individual price of $17.97. Right now the price is 20.5. That's a huge gain. So today's return alone was about 4%, but since the price happened, I've gained about at least $37, and that's about a little bit. That's close to 11% gain since my purchase on the 19th. So I'm very happy with that also. Microsoft, Microsoft, one of my favorite stocks, not doing so well. I mean, doing well, but not as well as I would have liked. I bought 2 shares. Before I had 1 share before this, each at $106.96. Right now they're priced at $112.35. So I've gained a $10.42. It's a 4.87% gain. Next stock that I bought is the Blackstone Group. This is one of the stock that I bought and has a very high dividend payout. So I have total of 13 shares right now, but on the 21st, I bought 7 shares. I paid an average price of $34.19. So this is one of the red stocks that I have also. At the time, I've invested a total of $239.33. I lost about $4.62. That's about close to a 2% loss since I purchased the stock. Right now, my total return, all-time total return is $2.44, 0.56% loss. Gain. I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, it actually pays a pretty good amount of dividend. Let me just show you. And these are the dividend that I got, almost close to 5 something. I didn't really calculate. The next stock that I bought is Shinhan Financial Group. This is a bank that's based in Korea, one of the major banks in Korea. I didn't have any stocks before this, and I recently got to know about this stock. I bought 13 shares on 22nd of February. But my individual price was $38.83. I've invested about $504.40. Right now, because of recently I bought the stock, there isn't really much of a movement with the stock. I've lost about 37 cents, which is not much at all. But I do feel like they're gonna do great. They don't have any dividend, but their PE ratio right now is 3.5. And I've heard that in Korea the stock is not doing that well because some of the new, I'm not sure what kind of restriction they have, but some of the new restrictions there was that were imposed by the Korean government. So right now they're not doing so well. I mean, it looks not a bad trend, but not nothing exceptional, so to say. In the past month, they lost by 10%. In the past 5 years, they lost about 6.55%. So let's see. Next stock that I bought is Nokia. Nokia is one of the cell phone company that is, I believe, based in Ushima Espoo, one of the European countries. I bought 40 shares. I bought this 25th, so only about 2 days ago, each at $6.70. So right now I'm minus $3. It's about minus 1.3%. And like most of the stocks that I buy, I do feel like they will drop maybe a little bit more. However, they'll go back up. The reason they do that with my purchases is that, and as you can see, there's a pattern with my purchases. When I first buy the stock, they kind of slump a little bit, and then as more time goes on, it looks like they have more significant gain. The reason I try to do that is I try to catch them when they're about to go up, and just because we can't really time the purchase perfectly, I kind of tend to buy them when they're beginning to go up, and sometimes it overlaps with their period of falling down as well. That's why initially most of the stocks that I buy tend to fall a little bit, and then later on they move on. And then if you want, we could do another review of the stock that I bought this month, next month, to see what kind of movements they have made. But anyways, right now I've lost money, $3, about 1.3%. The reason I bought this Nokia is because there's this huge news about the 5G that's going to be happening, and it looks like it's just going to be more than a service for cell phones, and it's going to be like supposedly it's supposed to be like life-changing, and it's supposed to be a groundbreaking thing. And one of the companies, two of the companies that are going to be benefiting from this 5G, from one of the random articles I read, is Nokia, and that's why I bought this stock. I do expect 5Gs to be coming out this year, and I do believe there's going to be a huge benefit to some of the companies that are going to be affected by 5G, and I hope Nokia is going to be one of those stocks. The next stock that I bought is Ericsson, and I bought Ericsson for the exact same reason. I do feel like they're going to be benefiting from 5G as well. Right now, I bought this stock on 26th, literally yesterday, and since then I've lost about $3. It's about 1.4% quarterly, which is not bad. But I do believe that Ericsson will benefit from 5Gs at some point. That's why I kind of bought the stock. That may not happen within the next month or within the next 2 months, but I'm hoping that it happens within next year or so. I do plan to buy some more and see how the trend goes. And the last stock that I bought is actually, kind of have to go back to my initial stock. I bought Bilibili. I bought some more of Bilibili stocks. I bought 9 stocks at $19.84 on 26th. So that was yesterday again, for a total of $178.84. And since then, I made 18-cent gain. It's about 0.1% gain. So if I were to recap all the stocks that I bought in the month of February, let's see. Okay, so with that being said, to summarize everything, I wanted to show you how much total I've invested and how much total I've earned from the month of the February. I've invested about $3,669.53, and the current value currently is $3,841. So that's a total gain of $171 just on the new purchases that I've made this month, for a total gain of 4.68%. Probably nothing exceptional to someone who does this professionally, but I'm very happy with this number. And then, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe and like, and let me know if you have any questions. All right. Take care, guys.